In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the online library not working in VideoScribe. If you've gone to search for an image or icon inside VideoScribe and nothing is loading, or you're seeing errors instead of results, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key things to check so you can get your online library working again and get back to creating your projects. First, make sure that VideoScribe itself is up to date and that you're properly signed in. Close VideoScribe completely, then reopen it and log in with your account. Sometimes, a fresh login is all that's needed to re-establish the connection to the online library. After logging in, open a project and try using the search bar in the image library again to see if anything has changed. Next, check your internet connection. The online library relies on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi is dropping out or your network is very slow, the library may fail to load. Open a web browser and try loading a couple of websites. If they're slow or not loading at all, try restarting your router or switching to a more reliable network before going back into VideoScribe. If your internet is working, the next thing to look at is any firewall, VPN, or security software you might be using. These tools can sometimes block VideoScribe from reaching the online library. Temporarily disable your VPN or add VideoScribe as an allowed app in your firewall or antivirus settings. Once you've adjusted those settings, restart VideoScribe and test the library search again. It's also a good idea to clear any cached data or temporary files related to VideoScribe. Close the app, restart your computer, and then open VideoScribe once more. This simple reset can fix hidden connection glitches that build up over time. If you're still not seeing any images in the online library, try signing out of your account from within VideoScribe, then sign back in. Double-check that your subscription or trial is active, because expired accounts may lose access to certain online features, including the library. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, head to the VideoScribe support or help section from their website. There you can check for any known outages, read updated troubleshooting guides specific to your version, or contact their support team with details about your device, operating system, and what exactly happens when you search the library. Follow these steps carefully. Test the library after each change, and you should be able to restore access to the online library in VideoScribe and continue building your animations without interruption.